In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Slack always active so you can enhance your productivity without constant interruptions. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive into this. One of the quirks about Slack is that when you manually change your status to active, it only stays that way for about 10 to 20 minutes before your status automatically switches to away due to idle time. Pretty frustrating, right? So to tackle this issue, you'll need to make some adjustments to your computer's operating system settings. Don't worry, it's a simple process. First, let's start by accessing your system settings. If you're on a Mac, go ahead and open up your system settings. You'll find this by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and selecting System Preferences. Now, for those of you using Windows, you can get there quickly by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard and then typing in Turn Off Display. Click on that option when it appears. Once you're in the system settings, the next step is to navigate to your lock screen settings. This is crucial because we want to adjust how your display behaves. If you're on Mac OS, look for the settings panel labeled Lock Screen. If you're using Windows, you want to locate the options that dictate when your monitor turns off or goes into power saving mode. After you've found the right settings, we'll need to adjust the display sleep timer. This setting typically says something like turn display off when inactive, and it's usually set to 10 or 15 minutes by default. It's this timer that causes Slack to mark you as idle. Now, here comes the important part. Click on the drop-down menu associated with that display timer and change the value to Never. Yes, you heard that right. Setting it to Never will keep your computer screen awake continuously. When your display stays on, your Slack status remains active, which means you keep your productivity flowing without any interruptions. Now, it's important to note that while keeping your screen always on can help with Slack, it might also lead to additional energy consumption if you're not mindful of it. So, make sure you balance your settings with your awareness of when you're actively using your computer. It's all about finding that sweet spot between maintaining your presence in Slack and managing your computer's energy usage. Once you've made these changes, you should see an immediate difference in how Slack recognizes your activity. You will no longer be marked as away within those short intervals, allowing you to stay engaged in conversations and feel responsive even if you momentarily step away from your desk. So there you have it. By adjusting a few settings in your operating system, you can keep Slack always active. I hope this helps you maintain your productivity and enhances your collaboration. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like it and subscribe for more tips like these. Happy collaborating with